Hey friends, welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to do unboxing of one of the product I have purchased from Amazon. This is JBL C100SI earphones. I have purchased these earphones within 799 rupees, but the price which is mentioned over the box is 1299, but still you can easily purchase this within 799 rupees. Here you can see the product. This looking awesome. JBL brand is also mentioned over there. Bill of this earphone is also provided inside the box. Along with that, there are other few documents also provided inside the box, but as you know, no one is interested today to read all that kind of stuffs, all kind of documents. Along with that, here you can see the earphones are provided inside the box. Let's try to open them. After opening the box, you can see the brand JBL over there. Earbuds are looking very nice. Let's try to open it. After opening the box, what we get that a very pretty looking, very beautiful kind of earphones. These are actually the in-ear earphones. Some document stuffs are also provided there. And let's try to open it and let's look at more closer. The wire which is provided over here is 1.2 meter long. That is good enough. Apart from that, 3.5 millimeter gold plated jack is also has been provided by JBL. Overall, the earphone is looking very nice, and three kind of different ear tips also provided inside the box. You can use them according to your convenience. You can see the cable which is 1.2 meter long, but the quality is not looking that much good. I'm little disappointed with the cable. I don't think that this can be last for a very long time, but still it is looking good. After this, I heard some of the songs from these earphones.
Friends, if you found this video
and I come to know that the
please
sound
like,
quality of
share,
this earphone is
comment
pretty
on this
good.
video.